YouTube, what's going on? It's Skywise here, back from the video. Today we got the Nissan GTR R35 sitting here. We just recently got this car and we are starting a journey on modifications. So we just put the exhaust on. It is equipped with a Switzer P60. I don't know if you can see that, but you can kind of see in there. So the exhaust is on. It's 4-inch pipe all the way from the catback. So the car still has stock downpipes, but it's a little too quiet. I don't like how quiet it is. So I went to Summit. I have a local Summit here in Ohio, and we bought some 4-inch pipe. We're gonna be taking it to my buddy's shop, putting up on a lift, and we're gonna be cutting off the mufflers and the resonator. So we're gonna do a before and after sound check on the car. We also recently picked up a comm access port. So we bought a tune through Switzer for the access port. It's a stage 2. We're gonna run that until we can get a pro tune, and we're not gonna get a pro tune until we can do E85. We also we just got these in today. We have the cold air intake. They're the 3-inch. So you have to run a tune to run these, because if you go with the 2.75 inch, you don't have to run a tune. But anything above that, 3-inch and higher, you have to run a tune. I didn't think there was a point going 2.75. I don't recommend it, because if you end up building the car, you're always going to end up buying bigger intakes to support power. These support up to like 800 horsepower, so that should be plenty. I don't plan on going any more than that. But you can see it's got the nice burnt titanium. I don't know if it's real, but it's got the burnt titanium clamps, so it's pretty cool. So yeah, we got the comm access port, 3-inch cold air intakes, Switzer catback exhaust 4-inch, and we're going to cut the mufflers out and the resonators. So the car should be doing about 600 horsepower roughly, and then pretty soon here we will get a E85 tune, pro tune done on the dyno, and then I'll be pushing out some numbers just like the STI. Let's do a before and after of the exhaust. So as you can see, even with it being a 4-inch catback, it is still very subtle. I don't know why it's super subtle. It could be because of the mufflers. I don't know what it looks inside those mufflers. It could be the travel in there, or it could be the resonator. There's a big resonator on here. It's 4-inch, so the resonator is pretty big. So we're just gonna solve that and take it off. If it's too loud, we can put a resonator back on it. But it is just way too subtle. You would think with being 4-inch it would be louder. All right, YouTube, so here we are with the GTR. We're about to get the exhaust done. So you guys heard a before clip, and now hopefully it sounds mean nasty. Also, shout out to 8080 for the shirt. So entered the dream car giveaway. So we are pulling into the shop here now. So the shop that we're getting the work done is Street Fab Performance. It's actually my buddy Brad that works here, and the other guy's name is Alex, and this is actually Brad's car. So they do some nice cars. You can see they got a nice Z out here, a nice turbo caddy, Mercedes. Grayson, careful, don't spill it. So right now the GTR is under the chopping block. Things like this, the front side, this side would be really quick to get with the grinder. This one not so much. So as you can see, they had to take off that whole carbon fiber skid plate in the rear to get to the exhaust. So it's just some of those couple bolts, those little, not bolts, those little plastic pins. So just, you know, sometimes you break a couple when you're taking them out, but have to take that off to access the exhaust. So basically it's going to be a Switzer P600 setup with no mufflers. What are you doing out here? So we tried it with just the resonator being off, and it just still wasn't loud enough. It's almost like there's like baffles in the pipes, but there's not. So we're doing the mufflers now, and we're gonna convert the mufflers from the whole exhaust is 4-inch, but up to like where the mufflers are at, that goes to the tips, it's 3.5. So we're gonna make that 4-inch as well. Looks good, man. It's a nice shiny pipe.
Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 We got new muffler. Yeah, I love it. I'll do it at the. I'll get you what. Scared. Yeah, I love me right. What you're wrong with. Here. Watch out, keep backing up. Get in the same spot. Oh, are you going to do that?
I like it.
Oh, me too. There you go. Oh, watch him, back it up.
Sorry, Tanya.
I'm following you. It's dead.
You over there.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah. You never see a GTR like this, right?
No, you don't. No, you don't. Sweet. First time ever revving R35. Oh, yeah. Sounds fucking good. Definitely the perfect time.